Hello everyone, so here is Abhi, also known as Hash King, with his project work. So this is my Linux system and I'm going on to the project which is here. Okay, so this is the project file. I'm opening this. So here is our Fuse integration project, and let me test onto the browser, and I've opened it in VS Code. So as you can see, just for the sake of viewing it, I am just preparing it here so that I can show you only the code. I have used Red Developer Studio mainly for this one, and I will show you where I have installed it. Just a second. Okay, so this is our Red Hat Studio Developer platform which I have used. So the next thing I'm going to show you is how I'm going to open our index.html file. So this is the index.html file which shows that we have prepared our Red Hat first homepage for our Red Hat hackathon, and it's not much of importance because our main intention was to develop something for customer experience. To improve the customer experience, we have just shown 3 most important services that we provide. So let us view our products. So real-time website builder, which I will be showing you in some time, and job manager, which I am showing it here, and an optimized solution. It will be containing a feedback form. Basically, that feedback form will be of any platform, like it may be using Google Forms, or we can make it of our own, so that we can get to know which products do the people want, and we can extend it to open source systems. So here comes the dashboard. Let us take a tour. We can put a video here. Currently I have not put any video, else we can put a video here. Virtual recruitment. So here you can just fill up all the necessary details like recruiter's name, designation, and everything as per the people want. Resume sorting tool. This will be a resume sorting tool. Like, the input will be taken, and based upon the qualification, whether it is an undergraduate program, PhD, the things will be coming up. And we have made a backend using PHP, and the tool results will be coming out soon. Creating a challenge. We can create a challenge like this guy should complete this much. This is the task and he should complete it, and there will be ways of completing the task or something like that as per the people want. This is as you can see clearly, we can still sort out from here whatever the requirements we have. Like, so let's get back to here. So here we have different tasks mentioned, like whatever he wants. Like, it's just like a dashboard which contains different sorts of tasks or jobs that we want. Okay, that any person wants. Like assign tasks, like if a person is assigned tasks, then it is being listed down here with a good interface. Like, even if you want, you can just check it out. Like, I will share the Google Analytics this one page, like how much time does it take to load the page, for loading this page. So these all are like basic simple UI based themes or BI based dashboards which I have made, BI based front skins, and these really take very simple amount of, like, very few minutes of time to be used, and anyone can use it for their own purpose. See, I have left a space for logo also. If a company wants to put their logo to use our service, or some user profile, or anything they want, they can change it because the code is very simple. We have optimized it, and I can show you the code also here as it is given from this one. like this is the index.html file. So the things are very, you can see, just like you need to make changes here itself. So nothing more is needed here. You can just remove or add and this div classes and all, that's it. So the loading time is very less. And let me now show you our main task was the real-time website builder. That is, sketch anything, and the main thing is you can sketch anything and what we get is the result. Like for example, I am taking this. See, as you can see, there are some examples I have taken. Let me take this one. You can see I made this one image. I made this one sketch. You can see here I made a sketch, and now I am going to draw the resultant HTML code using this one. So just execute this command. We can create a bash file for executing this, and just a second, there is an issue with this one. Oh, sorry. I need to move on to that file where this is there. Like it is there in CD red X. So it's not an issue at all. We can just create the response form like that on basis of that to improve the customer experience and all. So it just makes sure that whatever you draw is converted into a real-time website, and it's 10 times much faster than what we have for Microsoft. That is the sketch to AI something was there, I saw it, but it is 10 times much faster than that because we are using hash maps in Python for converting those objects, and it has been trained in that, and which is having much larger accuracy, much higher accuracy than that of Microsoft Sketch to AI. So main / web app / CusX. So now it's ready. Now you can see I am expanding this tab. So we have used TensorFlow for the backend portion. For me, I have basically used deep learning, the concepts of deep learning algorithms to implement this, and our later works will be like using this webcam. I am going to detect whatever is there in the screen, and the code will be generated on real time. So we are just working upon that. Currently we are just showing you how we are going to just generate the HTML code by seeing a form of kind of sheet sketch. See, this is the thing which I was talking about. So it's really useful. If anyone wants, he can implement this, and he's just going to enjoy loving it. So next, so that's all about our project, and we are going to improvise upon it. Like, feedbacks are really welcome, and we are going to work more upon it. I am a big fan of Red Hat because the way they have built their studio and the products they have been building, I just loved it. And I am going to implement other products. Like, I am building some product upon using ML algorithms and to measure their accuracy. How to use ML platform engine, you can say about that. How to check the accuracy of the ML algorithms. Okay, so and for that I'm using Quarkus Java project using Kafka. So it will be prepared by the time of in the next few days. And so if you like our project, then please select us for the next round. and we would enjoy like creating this, and we can just move on with this project. We can carry out research and working on this project. Thanks for your support, and it will be really useful for many of the customers, like those who just want to go through this one, like generate a HTML code from just by drawing at the fingertips. Anyone can create a website. It's just a matter of fraction of seconds, like you can sketch anything and you are just getting it. And we are going to make many such products, like using virtual reality, using augmented reality in a space, and we can just arrange the furniture stores. So we are working upon that also. It is an Android app. So basically it will be converted into web application also as fast as possible. So it will be coming in a few days. So this is our concept. Thanks for your support.